Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 308. In this video I'll show you how to reset service info. In the beginning, if you already changed the oil and filters, you'll still have to reset the service info. You can check the kilometers until the service on the speedometer display, and also to diesel engines you will be able to find the service lamp right here. But how to check how many kilometers until service? Firstly, turn the ignition and the kilometers are shown right here for about 5 seconds. If you want to reset this info, switch ignition off. Now you have to press and hold this button and switch ignition on. Now take a look. As you can see, the numbers are going from 10 to 0, and when the 0 is reached, simply release the button and the service info will be reset. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.